everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Ella, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Hello, Ella, and hello to all our listeners out there. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, Leo. You know what? I'm really excited about today's topic.
Me too. I feel like this is something every English learner needs.
Absolutely. Before we start, if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been with us before, thank you for coming back.
Yes, we love having you here. And hey, if you enjoy this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us create more content for you.
That's right. Okay, Leo, are you ready to dive in?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
So today, we're talking about something super important. We're learning how to talk about yourself in English.
Oh, this is perfect. You know, Ella, I remember when I first started learning English, I was so nervous.
Nervous? Why?
Because every time someone asked me, tell me about yourself, my mind went blank. I didn't know what to say.
That's so common, Leo. Many learners feel exactly the same way.
Really? I thought I was the only one.
Not at all. It's one of the biggest challenges for beginners. You want to say something interesting, but you don't have the right words.
Exactly. Or sometimes I know the words, but I forget them when I'm nervous.
I totally understand. But here's the good news. Today, we're going to fix that problem.
How?
We're going to learn 5 simple ways to introduce yourself. Easy phrases, natural English, things you can use right away.
That sounds amazing. I can't wait.
And the best part? These phrases work in any situation. Meeting new friends, job interviews, traveling, anywhere.
Perfect. So where do we start?
Let's start with the basics. Tip number 1. Okay, tip number 1 is simple. Introduce your name in a friendly way.
Wait, isn't that just, my name is Leo?
Yes, but there are different ways to say it. Some sound more natural and friendly.
Oh, like what?
You can say, "Hi, I'm Ella," or "Hello, my name is Ella. Nice to meet you."
That's easy.
Exactly. But here's a pro tip. You can also add a little extra information right away.
Like what?
For example, "Hi, I'm Ella and I'm an English teacher." Or, "Hello, I'm Leo and I love learning new languages."
Oh, I see. So you give your name and one interesting detail.
Exactly. It makes the conversation smoother and more interesting.
Let me try. Hi, I'm Leo, and I'm a podcast host.
Perfect. See how natural that sounds?
Yes, I like it. What's the next tip?
Tip number 2. Talk about where you're from.
That makes sense. People always ask that question.
Right. So here's how you can answer. I'm from Japan. Or, I come from Brazil.
Easy, but what if I want to say more?
Great question. You can add a little description. For example, I'm from Seoul, South Korea. It's a big, beautiful city.
Oh, so you give a detail about your city or country.
Exactly. It helps the other person picture where you're from, and it keeps the conversation going.
I love that. Let me try. I'm from a small town in Italy. It's very quiet and peaceful.
Beautiful. You're doing great, Leo.
Thanks. What's next?
Tip number 3. Share what you do. This means your job or what you study.
Okay, so like I'm a teacher or I'm a student.
Exactly. But again, you can make it more interesting by adding a little detail.
How?
For example, I'm a teacher and I help people learn English online. Or, I'm a student and I'm studying computer science.
Ah, so you explain a little more about what you do.
Yes. It shows you're interested in talking and sharing.
Let me practice. I'm a designer and I create websites for small businesses.
Perfect. That's clear and interesting.
Nice. I'm feeling more confident already.
That's the goal. Okay, let's move to tip number 4. Tip number 4. Talk about your hobbies or interests.
Oh, I like this one. Everyone has hobbies.
Exactly, and it's a great way to connect with people. You can say, I love reading books, or I enjoy playing soccer.
That's simple.
Yes, but here's the secret. Use the words I love, I enjoy, or I like. They sound more natural than just listing hobbies.
Oh, so instead of saying my hobby is cooking, I say I love cooking.
Exactly. Much better.
Got it. Let me try. I enjoy traveling and trying new foods.
Wonderful. You sound like a native speaker.
Really? That's so encouraging.
Yes, you're doing amazing. Now, one more tip. Tip number 5, share a goal or dream. This is optional, but it makes you sound interesting and motivated.
Like what?
For example, I'm learning English because I want to travel the world. Or, my goal is to become fluent in 3 languages.
Oh, so it's about the future.
Exactly. It shows what you care about and what you're working toward.
I love that. Let me try. I'm learning English because I want to work in an international company.
Perfect. That's clear, positive, and interesting.
This is really helping me, Ella. I feel like I can actually do this now.
You absolutely can. And remember, you don't have to use all 5 tips at once. Start with 2 or 3 and build from there.
That's a relief. I was worried it would be too much.
Not at all. The key is practice. The more you practice, the easier it gets.
I'm going to practice right now.
Okay, everyone, let's quickly recap what we learned today.
Yes, I want to make sure I remember everything.
First, we learned to introduce our name in a friendly way. Add a little detail to make it interesting.
Right, like, hi, I'm Leo and I love podcasts.
Perfect. Second, we talked about where we're from. Add a description of your city or country.
I'm from Rome, Italy. It's a historic and beautiful city.
Great. Third, we shared what we do. Explain your job or studies with a little detail.
I'm a photographer and I take pictures of nature.
Excellent. Fourth, we talked about hobbies and interests. Use I love or I enjoy.
I enjoy hiking and spending time outdoors.
Wonderful. And fifth, we shared a goal or dream to sound motivated and interesting.
I'm learning English because I want to work abroad.
Perfect. See, it's all coming together.
Yes, I feel so much more confident now.
That's amazing, Leo. And remember, everyone, you don't need to be perfect. Just start practicing.
Exactly. Mistakes are okay. They help us learn.
Absolutely. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel.
I'm going to introduce myself to someone new this week.
That's the spirit. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope this episode helped you feel more confident talking about yourself in English.
Yes, and remember, these phrases work in real life. Use them at work, with friends, while traveling, anywhere.
Exactly. And if you want more episodes like this, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us.
Yes, and click that like button if you enjoyed today's lesson.
Also, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment and tell us, where are you from? What do you do? What are your hobbies?
Yes, practice introducing yourself in the comments. We'll read them and cheer you on.
And don't forget to share this episode with a friend who's learning English. Let's help each other grow.
Absolutely. Learning English is easier when we do it together.
Okay, everyone, that's it for today. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself.
You've got this. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.